So it's about 10 o'clock on a Thursday night, night for Valentine's. I should be preparing. However, in the car, it is approximately 2 degrees outside. Luckily, I've got a little heater in the garage, but it's still fresh. Been quite busy of late. This will be a shorter video than everything, just to show you around a few things. This is currently the mess I'm working in. Bits everywhere, but if I flip this round, the dash loom is extremely close to actually being done. Most of my time has been spent working up behind here, trying to sort all the connectors. Oh my god, can I actually see it? Yes, it is there. Where the engine loom comes through, you can see the masking tape. Been making connections for that onto the body loom, and various plugs and different connectors in places. The only, I think, one wire that's left to sort is the clutch wire that needs to go down there. I've got no idea how that's connecting, so for the moment that could wait. Also, sorting out the switch panel, there's a little bit of wiring they need to doing on that, so just finishing that off. That is now complete with that. So yeah, that's that. One thing left inside is the relay for the wheel speed sensor for the power steering. And once all of that's done, that will actually be the interior loom finished, I think. I can't remember anything else, so that should be it. And I shall move you to the bonnet. So under here, we've got that's the wiring to the alternator, and that needs routing underneath the manifold. Bit more wiring to go around the other side, and the engine loop. So that's all through the bulkhead for the final time. Actually got some nice heat shrunk boots over the bulkhead connectors. Apologies for the poor lighting and poor video quality. It's on a phone, making it quick because I can't be bothered to get the proper recorder out because it's buried inside at the minute. But so it's actually looking really good, really positive. I'm getting out here as many nights as I can. As long as I've got some enthusiasm, I'm getting out here about 2 hours a night. I'm doing something just to get this stuff off the list. So yeah, it's gonna be done. It's got to be done. Bear with. I'll be back soon.